Hey guys, it's Niecy Nicole and I'm back today for another video. Today I plan on doing a lash kit. I've probably had this for about 3 months and I haven't used it yet. I really wanted to do my own, but I didn't know that I could, and then I looked at some videos and I've seen people like lifting their own lashes like by themselves. And by the way, if I sound weird, I'm actually sick. Well, I'm getting over being sick. Hopefully I'm back to 100% in the next week. I really wanted to lift my lashes because, okay, so let me tell y'all. So I used to have longer lashes, but then I hopped on the lash train. This was like since high school, trying to do the little strips back then, and then getting older and using the freaking, I used the hair glue. I did, okay, because it held together, but it ripped my eyelashes off. So I actually haven't been wearing eyelashes for a while now, just giving them a chance to grow back using like castor oil, because I literally would rip them out. Like, I didn't have the patience at the end of the day. I was ready to go to sleep. Some nights they stayed on. It stayed on, to be honest with you. I kind of wanted to lift my lashes because, like, why not? I've already been taking care of it. Hopefully it doesn't fall off because it does say eyelash perming kit. I'm assuming it's gonna be like not a really strong perm because I would assume that's gonna burn my eyes. I don't know. I never had a perm, but I've heard that they burn, so I pray that this isn't burn, especially because I'm doing it on myself. So the kit actually comes with 4 perm lotions, 1 glue, 5 size lift pads, and a cleaning tool. So, and I actually got this from Temu, so for a couple bucks from Temu, let's see if it works. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys what it looked like. And this, oh, that was like an iPad that fell out, because I tried to do it on my sister, but I never actually did it. But there's like 5 pairs, so I'm not too worried about it. And this is what it looks like. And it has like numbers on it, so I know what to do and what order. And I'll actually just take a picture so you guys can see it and read like what it says, because I know you guys can't see it. And I just finished washing my face and everything like that, cleaning my eyelashes. Then it says to place it under eye pads under your eye and make sure that your bottom lashes are like under the pads. I'm so nervous because I just want to do this right. Like, I don't want to like waste it. I have to make sure that the pad is gonna like hold down my eyelashes, so I really have to like go on close. Okay. I am actually, you guys, so happy that I'm actually only doing one eye because this is uncomfortable. Like, it looks like my eye is getting red. Like, it doesn't hurt. It just like feels weird to have something hold your eyelashes down. So now we're gonna select the lash lift pads, and it says for a small, you're gonna get more curl, and then for a light, I guess a large, you're gonna get more like a straighter. I think I'm gonna go long. Why not? If I want it to curl, I can just put some mascara on it. So we're just gonna see how long this thing can get my eyelashes. So it says go ahead and add a little bit of this adhesive glue to the back of this pad, and you're gonna put it on your eyelid. Honestly, at this point, I'm starting to regret this decision. I'm just trying to like hold it in place so it can actually glue. Like, I don't want to open my eye or nothing like that, because it looked like the corners were kind of lifting. Oh, and they still lift. Like, how the hell? I'm working with one eye. Now it says to use the perm lotion, which is number 1 on the eyelashes. Then cover your eyelashes with a plastic wrap. Did they provide you a plastic wrap? How presumptuous of them to assume. You guys, well, I'll tell you guys, this is just not working right now. This is just, so this is the perm number 1. In the videos they be making it look all super cute, like, you know, oh, look how easy this is. Oh, this is not easy. Like, I'm working with one eye. Luckily, I do have 20/20 vision. So yeah, this is, and oh my gosh, it's don't stain. So let's just go ahead and put this on my lashes, just kind of go on with it. It smells so bad. And they said wear this for 10 minutes. So I'm supposed to sit here just like this. Because I can't open my other eye because it made me want to open this eye for 10 minutes. And this is a fail, and we know it is, and that's okay. But we can't back down now because we've come too far. We've come too far. Hey guys, it's been 10 minutes since I've had this on, and my eye is a little itchy. So it says remove the perm lotion with this brush and then apply the fixing agent number 2, which is called fixation. So I don't know how, wait guys, so I actually just found a little method that I could do, which is just sliding my finger up. So these little cleaning tools, I can take off that bottom one. Don't see that much of a difference. If it was a difference, it was like so slight that you just can't even tell. And then it says for the last thing to do is use the nutrition, which I'm assuming is like a kind of a lash oil to kind of like nourish my eyelashes after I just did a whole lot of nothing to them. So now that I've kind of brushed it out a little bit, I can kind of, I don't know, I'm gonna look down so you guys can see it. I can kind of see a difference. And I'm sorry, I feel like I'm all up in y'all face. Like I've been all up in y'all face this whole video. And y'all, if y'all have made it to the end of this video, y'all are so kind. But before I get ready to end this, I do kind of want to see what it's looking like with some mascara, because that was the goal, to get it stretched out. So when I wore some mascara, it was like all pretty, all girly, all super cute. So today I'm going to be wearing my trusty old sad sorry mascara. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't be saying it like that. So today I'm going to be wearing this mascara, Temptations, okay? Honestly, if you guys have ever tried the Sephora brand mascara or tried Dior, if you've ever tried their mascara, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put on a little bit of mascara, the Temptations, and see what's happening. It's a little dried out, it's a little spotty, but, and I'm definitely one of those people that squiggle when they like put on their mascara, because I actually heard about that and I don't know, I still think it's true. I think it's true. I feel like it stretches my eyelashes. So I'm gonna do that mechanism on both. I can kind of see a difference. I'm just gonna go on with the second coat. And if there's no difference, y'all, it's gonna be a bittersweet moment. It's gonna be happy because I just stretched my eyelashes, yay! But it's gonna be sad because that means I have to do the other side. Great. And after adding a few extra coats, well, a few extra strokes, you guys can see. Get 2 of these, and this way you can really see the difference. This should definitely be like a thumbnail picture. People are gonna be like, what the freak is she doing? So here are the results. I definitely see a difference, not like a drastic difference, but I see a difference. Like, actually when I like turn to the side or something, like I can see these look more like frayed and kind of everywhere. These look more uniform, and like, I'm definitely excited about that. I've been wanting to do this to my eyelashes for a while now. I also want to do my eyebrows, but honestly, I don't even have the patience to do my other eye. I don't have the patience to do my eyebrows. Not now, not now. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. Also, there's going to be a new section on my channel. It's called Pure Curiosity, where I try different things and explore new places just based off of pure curiosity of things that I've always wanted to try, things that I've always wanted to do, because you only live once and you should definitely get out there and try something. So